Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Paper 2 Psychology. Start by mapping the exam structure and allocating study blocks to each topic immediately. Use active recall and past questions for every session. Mix concise notes with mind maps to connect theories and evidence. Schedule spaced repetition and timed practice essays to build exam stamina. Review weak areas weekly and adjust the plan to stay efficient and calm. Use active techniques each study session to boost retention and exam readiness. Start with flashcards and short quizzes to trigger recall, then tackle past paper questions under timed conditions. After answering, review model responses and mark schemes to spot improvements. Teach concepts aloud or to a friend to solidify links between studies and theory. Finish sessions with a quick summary and schedule the next review to lock learning in place. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Owala water bottle keeps drinks spill-free and easy to sip during marathon study blocks, which means fewer breaks and more focus. It's compact, durable, and perfect for desk or library sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Structure essays with a clear plan before writing to save time and improve clarity. Start each paragraph with a topic sentence, follow with evidence and evaluation, and link back to the question. Practice organizing arguments and counterarguments while timing yourself to build efficiency. Review exemplar answers to match examiner expectations and learn useful phrases. Finish revision cycles by prioritizing weak essay areas and consolidating key studies for quick recall in the exam.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.